So yeah, it's on. So before we jump into these external style sheets, we'll just see a few modification in yesterday's class. Like let's go ahead and see how a background image looks like. Unless we were using a color for the background image, but let's see how does it look when we apply a background image. Oops. So running this application may be a security risk. No, this is not a security risk. Well, yeah, it's here. So I'll go ahead uh, in the basic layout itself. Okay, I won't be uploading this file because I have already uploaded the file. So if I have to upload this, then I have to upload the whole file again. So I won't be uploading it again. Okay, I'll be just showing you guys how does it look like. Okay, right now here in the body. Okay, so I'll say the background. Let's use the shorthand property, or let's go ahead and use our full properties. So background image URL, let's say images. Inside the images, let me just see what images we got over there. So what we do is this, or let's go ahead and download some plain file here. So I go Google and website background images, let's say. So yeah, this let me go to images here and see if something fascinates me. Well, this looks good. And what else? Everything is black here. Oh yeah, this looks good too. And let me just see what else we have here. Some light colors, like I can use this too. Let's see. What else we got here? Yeah, let's just see these images. How do they look like in the background? Oh, I don't want this. I want just free images. Maybe this is kind of dull. Oh, no luck. Well, I need well, let's take this guy. Maybe, yeah, he's this is available. So I'll say this inside our, where is this, here inside the images. I'll say this as with my name, because that file is about me, right? So I'll say with my name. Okay, so I go here. I'll say images sagar dot jpg. So I saved it here, and let me go open a new tab. And where's our file? Let's just drop the file. So there you go. Okay, now if you can see, if you can properly observe, the image is getting repeated by itself, if you guys can see, right? Because the default property is repeat. Background images default property repeat. This is how the image is this small. So this is how I mean it's getting defaultly repeated. So what I do is, like, I say background repeat. Okay, we have a property called let me just type it here, background, oops, no, Okay, let's say background repeat. So let's say no repeat. Let's see how does it look like. I'll just refresh this. Now you can see here. If I say no repeat, then you know it's ending over there. Okay. So again, I didn't like this image because let's take this plain black. This is kind of looking good. So save image as same. Yeah, I want to replace this. I'll go here. I'll refresh. I'll refresh again. Okay, this is better kind of. Okay, so I said background repeat. I don't want it to be repeated. Now let me say I want this to be repeated. So what I do is like I can remove it and say background repeat to be repeated. Now let's see what happens. This is kind of looks okay, fine, even if it's repeated, but yeah, this particular area looks bad. So what I do is like I'll just say no repeat, don't repeat my background image, and I'll say the background position. Okay, background position to be fixed. Okay, if you guys can remember, the background position is scroll and fix. Scroll is like it moves with the image, and fixed is like it gets fixed over there. And there is background position. Sorry, I'm sorry, it's not position is center. I'm sorry, this is attachment, background attachment to be fixed. Now let's see what happens if I say that. I said no repeat. Now you see it has come to the center because I said the position to be center and center. Okay, now let's see, let's apply one more property here, which is background size. Okay, background size, I say cover. Now you can see it here. Now it's like covered the whole of the page. Okay, now this image does not look good, look that good. So let's use whatever we got here. We got some images over here. So let me see. uh, Let me just check the name of the image. bg.jpg. Let's use bg.jpg. I'll say bg.jpg.